What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Fuecoco from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a small oval for the right eye. We'll start from the very top, bring this all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's trace that oval along the inside, starting from the top and going all the way around. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the beak. From the bottom of the eye, we're going to step down. It's going to curve this up, go out towards the left. Now let's round out the beak, going all the way around. I'm just going to pull that in towards the mouth. Now on the left side of the beak, we're going to draw the bottom edge of the mouth. We're going to go up, bring this all the way down towards the right side. Now we're going to curve this around the right eye and back up toward the top of the head. So we're going to come down, and bend this up on the side, and pull this up and then back down. Now before we close off the head, let's draw in the left eye. We're going to line up the top of that oval over on the left side, bend this out and down on top of the beak, go back up to the top, draw the right side of that oval. And trace this along the inside. Now with the eye in place, let's close off the left side of the head. We're going to start right here and go up, round at the top, and then bring that back down. Now from the top of this curve, we're just going to bend this back and just tuck that in. Let's go on top of the right curve and curve this out, go all the way around the back, and then down. Let's bend the bottom going out towards the right, towards the tail. Now let's go back up to the top of the head and add those hairs. We're going to start right in the middle, bend this out, and then up, bend this out, and then down towards the right. Now I'm going to taper this so it gets narrower as we come back down and in toward the top of the head. Let's add one more. We're going to start along the side, bend this up and out, flatten off the end, pull this in, and then down. Let's go back to the outside of the mouth and draw the inside of the lower jaw. Bend this around, come down towards the bottom of the mouth, pull this around. I'm just going to tuck this up underneath the cheek. Let's add one large tooth on the left side. Curve this down and in, come in and then back up. Let's add a fang on the left side. We'll start with a curve, coming down and up. And then from the ends, bend this up and in towards the center, towards a point. Let's add a tooth on the right side. Starting from the bottom, go up with a curve, bring this out and then down. Now I'm going to place the tongue along the inside of the mouth. Let's start up here, bend this around. I'm just going to touch the inside of that left tooth, come down towards the bottom, and just tuck that in behind the right tooth. Now we want to add the nostrils over on the left side. From the top, angle this down and in. And then from the top, we're just going to bend this out and then down. Curve this down and then in towards that bottom point. Now from here, we move over towards the right side and draw on the arm. Let's start right here. Curve the arm going out and then down. Let's add the fingers. Going up with a short line. Bend that down and in. Now you want to layer two more fingers in behind. So starting along the side of that curve, we'll go up, come down and in, draw another line, and blend this down and then in towards the bottom of the arm, towards the mouth. Now from the inside of the arm, we're going to step down, draw the leg, going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, come down and then up. And go up. I'm just going to bend this in and stop right about there. Now you want to place the tail in behind the body and the leg. So from the bottom of this line, we'll step up, curve the tail going up, and then down. Let's round out the end of the tail. Let's pull the tail coming in and then down towards the bottom. I'm just going to curve that back in towards the side of the leg. Let's add a trim along the bottom of the tail. Starting from the side of the leg, just going to taper this up and then out. Now I'm going to add that patch on the top of the tail. Start with a curve going out and then down. Draw a straight line aiming towards the tip of the tail. Curve this back up and in. Let's go to the outside of the jaw and draw the bottom edge of the body. Curve this out, come down. I'm just going to tuck this in behind the leg. Let's add 2 large toes. Starting from this corner, curve this up and in towards the top, go out and then down. And we'll do that one more time. Let's add that patch across the bottom edge of the body. Starting on the side, bend this across and then up. Curves down and in towards the leg. And we'll follow that curve coming back down towards the bottom of the body. On the inside of that patch, curves in and then up behind the leg. Now you want to draw that same leg in behind the body on the left side. So we're going to start underneath the chin, bend this out and then down. Around to the bottom of the foot, coming in, and then tuck that up underneath the body. And we'll draw those same toes on the outside. Curving this up and in underneath the body. Step over, bring this down, and we'll tuck the second toe underneath. Now we want to tuck the left arm in behind the head. Let's start from this point, curve the arm going out and then down. Let's add 1 finger going up and back in. Let's add 1 more point going up in an angle and curve the arm coming down and in toward the side of the head. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Fuecoco from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.